Alrighty then, it is January 2nd, first day back to work, and I added every day to my calendar to make a video about real estate, about something that's going on in my day. So again, January 2nd, great thing about the new year is the new inventory that comes on the market. So what I want to do right now is go ahead and check to see if there's anything within a couple miles of my office, and we're gonna go take a look at it and kind of talk about it a little bit. So let's go ahead and take a look at the MLS right here on the phone while I'm driving around and see what we can look at. Okie dokie, property has been found. We're gonna go to this 3-5. You can't know if you can see it. 3517 East Lowell. I think that's what it is. Lowell Avenue in Gilbert. It just came on the market 1 day ago. So brand new year. 1-1 came on the market. Beautiful home. It's 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom home here in Gilbert. Just came on the market just a couple days ago, actually yesterday on the 1st, and it is priced right at $475. Brought to us by HomeSmart. It's actually an open house. We're gonna go meet them right now. Agent's not here. It says there's an open house, but we don't see anybody. Let's give him a call.
Hello, this is Charles.
Hey Charles, Brandon Morgan with Video Real Estate. How you doing?
Hey, good. How are you?
I'm good, man. Hey, online it showed this house on Lowell has an open house today. Oh shoot, that said Saturday.
Yes, Saturday.
I thought it said today. It's my fault. I don't see anybody here now. Is it okay if I run in?
Yeah, if you don't see anybody there, no, feel free. You got it.
Awesome, man. Appreciate it.
All right, thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Well, looks like I was the one who made the mistake there, but yeah, gonna go check it out. Let's go inside. All right, overall, I really like this house. I love the dining room here. I love the open floor plan with the nice open kitchen, granite countertops, the slate appliances. Really like the backyard with the pool, still having a grassy area. The master bedroom's huge, has another bedroom, a bonus room that's also huge. Overall, these 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom home is just really nice. It's located in Gilbert, great location. So overall, I'm giving it a big thumbs up.